Our irrigation program consists of 3 visits to the property throughout the year. The first visit's our spring startup, which includes the annual backflow test, starting the system and the full-blown inspection. The inspection consists of starting at the control panel, checking all the settings, making sure there's a proper watering schedule in place. After the control panel, we run a test cycle where we're checking to make sure all zones are operating properly and that there are no visible leaks throughout the system. While it's running, we are checking all the rotors and spray heads, looking for leaks, broken parts, and while doing that, we do adjust the pattern to make sure you're getting adequate coverage across your landscape and turf areas. So on the second visit, the midsummer inspection is basically the startup without the backflow test. We'll run through the system again to make sure no damage has occurred since the startup. So on the winterization, we're coming down, shutting the water off, blowing out the entire system, emptying all the lines out to prepare the system for the cold winter. For over 10 years, your neighbors have been trusting us with their irrigation systems, making repairs and the maintenance needed. Call today to get your irrigation system added to our program.